No, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off.
Ah! He's on me!
Get in there, get in there! Oh. Holy shit! Oh, this game, man.
Oh my god.
Holy freak, they're both like right here. Ah. I'm out, I'm out, I'm out! Holy shit. Right outside the door. Right outside our door. He's coming through!
Traps or anything, because usually this is like trapped. Alright, we're good. Looks like we made it out.
Oh! Holy crap. That was great. That was great.